it tingle, bounce, bounce, bounce.
Under your window. I can't even see you.
You can't see the black man in the dark. Tell us what happened.
Okay, so imagine this is my driveway. Okay, you've seen my driveway, right? So now on the opposite side, there's a fucking.
Yo, he's just
car
being
parked
fucking
here.
giving excuses, bro. No,
Let's just say,
don't
this is
believe
the
all
road.
that
No,
cap.
this side, okay? It's snowing. It's iced out completely. It's iced out completely. I didn't look. The defrosting wasn't on either. I just straight fucking gave it. All I can hear is boom.
See this? This is garbage. Chrysler, garbage.
Hey, it hit a van. You know those fucking 3-ton vans, and it survived. I hit him on the side.
Rally car can go anywhere. Snow, ice, cliff, no problem. No problem.
Okay, let me do the.
Oh shit, okay.
Okay, I got presents too.
Oh!
We'll do TJ's first. We'll do
Okay,
TJ's
no,
first.
hold
I
on.
need this on me.
Holy shit!
Wait, that's for your parents and everything, so I don't know how I'm gonna give it to your parents.
Good luck now.
Well, only one sad thing is that his and my present never got here. So it's gonna be here in like a couple days, but this is part of the whole fucking situation.
Yo, you guys gotta come look at this. There's like a million fucking gifts.
Yeah, yo. This, might want to take a picture of this.
Holy
Brown
fuck.
Santa.
What
Yeah.
happened?
Well, this is for the whole crew.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Well, the whole crew, Maya's parents.
Yeah, I get Johnny's too.
I have John.
Is Johnny
My
coming?
Santa.
Is he being a
Hello.
pussy?
I even took my beard off today.
He's being a pussy.
Yo, here, Sasha, please.
Okay, are we open?
Okay. So this
Okay.
will mean a lot to us because this is gonna be the first of many.
Oh, no. I do.
I know what it is, yo.
This is gonna be first of many. So, you guys open? I already know what the fuck it is. So,
Oh no, yeah. Okay.
okay, hold on. Your gift. This is part 1, and there's a part 2. Part 2 is that it's been waiting for both of us. It's in Canada Post. So, in a couple of days we're gonna record again.
It's already open. Hello.
Yo,
How am I gonna do this with one hand?
Here, let me do it. Let me do it. Here, real quick.
Oh yes, sir. What is this?
Oh,
Custom mascot.
oh. Yo, that's sick, boy.
I like how you put on the wet part.
Thank you.
It's in a
TJ.
bag. I don't want to drop it in.
No. Like I said, you don't get the gift cards. There's our gifts are more expensive. That's coming.
Oh shit, there's people coming.
Oh,
No, whatever.
what the fuck are you doing? Don't
We
litter.
put all the garbage in one spot.
Ta-da!
Yo, TJ, actually, this is a fucking good one.
It took me
5
You?
years.
and Leg and Maya almost less than a month to get this shit done,
Yeah.
and I couldn't
All
wait
the
and
silver.
fucking
Though,
wait.
that's pretty impressive. It takes like 10 years for one thing
Yeah.
to get
That's
Is this for you?
done. Is that done?
Yeah, well,
Can I
Face
put this in my car?
this. Ronan.
Don't wear the face.
You know what Sasha said? He's like, I looked through your phone. I know what TJ's getting me. What is it? Lanyards. Are you gonna open yours? It's lanyards.
Yeah, sure. I know what it is, so
Well, it does say from you.
yeah.
Let's see.
I got,
extra large so it fits here.
yeah. I got extra XL for you too. I'll take it.
Okay, boy, do you want
Here, hold this.
Let's see you open it.
Hey, Leg is a big part of this. That bitch never came, although he invested into like a machine to slap.
I don't know if it's real legal.
Oh,
Good
no.
shit. Oh, holy shit, man. It's just says bring the
This
money
is on.
on.
something to your main gift.
Dowry?
No, this is for the
I
party.
see. I'm buying a cold air ticket.
Oh, am I coming close by too?
Yes, everybody got gifted. I don't know why Johnny and Leg's not here. They had some supplies in the drugs too.
Oh.
Yes,
Yo, you know-
very
Don't put that
high
in the
drugs.
video.
High
We're gonna
drugs.
this way. It doesn't fit me.
Holy shit.
The juice.
Are you serious? Pick one?
Pick one.
Fuck it, we're going with the brisk.
Whoa, do I get one too?
Yeah, make sure Maya gets a brisk.
No, ginger ale is mine. Yes, yes.
I love ginger ale.
If anything,
Wait, in that case, then do I give this?
You want to move spots?
look at TJ.
I don't trust God.
But Johnny's supposed. I brought one for Johnny and Leg too.
Hey, I told you this is trial.
So,
TJ,
no
thank
juice.
you for dropping
Mr.
off
Juice.
his stuff. I was gonna give you.
They call me the juice god.
What do you have to say?
So you can do it.
I love juice.
Did you pick one?
No.
What are you gonna pick?
They might be shook up due to safe driving. Safe driving.
Oh my god.
Oh. This I got from work.
Oh fuck, that's Budweiser. That's some bitch ass beer right now.
Well, it is what it is right now.
It's what it is.
So it's Christmas Day Part 2. Brown people screaming because of no farmers. We support it too, kind of. And we're going to Leg's house to give him his gift.
Yeah, we kind of forgot him.
No, we didn't. He just didn't have time for us. And we're also going to discuss some other, adjusted things,
Business.
business things. Shut the fuck up! Stop honking at me. That's it. Like I said, adjusted things.
Where's Leg at?
Money's SO.
Is that him?
How does he know it's us?
Leg, how do you know this is our car?
I don't know.
Your Uber's here.
What it is?
I want to see.
What does he think? Oh, what is this?
Like, you didn't make that, right?
Well, I don't know what it is. Oh, would you look at that? A sweater.
And a mask.
Oh, and a mat. Oh,
And something else.
and a mask.
And something else.
And a card
A card.
for vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream.
Did you make the card, like?
I think he
No,
made
no.
the card. He had nothing to do with the
That's what we were asking.
Not the mask. Or the sweater, just the card.
sweater. Just the
Just a
card. No sweater, not the mask.
Like, does that mean we're starting an Adjusted Crew sweater brand?
Sweater.
I mean, I'm wearing one.
I mean,
Oh, by
TJ's
the way,
wearing one. I'm wearing one.
I have a sweatpants in for coming.
Oh,
Yeah, he's
shit.
ahead. He's ahead of it.
Yeah. Legs got sweatpants.
Not really ahead of it because like not coming for a little bit.